Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I didn't post last week. There was a lot of things going on in my personal life, and I thought I'd take some time today to film and have this posted for you to enjoy and watch. So I hope you're entertained with this. I wanted to get back to you on the Lancome. If you've seen that video, it was my Lancome mini haul, and I purchased this mascara, and it's called Idol Lash, and I wanted to put it on for you. I couldn't wait. I did film a video the first time I opened this, and you know what? A lot of things happened, and when I was editing and I just didn't like it, or I wasn't in the right mood, so I deleted it and I thought I'd refilm everything. So there's some things that I'm going to be talking about that it feels like I'm repeating myself, so please bear with me. But I wanted to quickly demonstrate putting on this mascara for you because I am really loving it. Also, I should show you what I got for as a Christmas gift. What I got from a dear sweet friend of mine is from Chrolotte Tilbury, an eyeshadow palette, and I thought maybe I'd do one or two color on really quickly because I did not want to make this a very long video. And the shade is called, it's a luxury palette, color coded eyeshadows, and the Uptown Girl. And this is it right here. It's upside down like that, and I hope you can see it. And let me quickly swatch this for you. So for 1, 2, 3, and this is it. I hope you can see that. See? So let me see. So this one is called Prime. This one is called Enhance, and then this one here, which is really pale, is Pop, and this one here is called Smoke. So that's it right there, and I will be putting that on in a second. I just want to wipe that off. And on my lips I have this on. My husband and I decided to go for a walk very early this morning. I think we were out more than 2 hours. So we really enjoyed it. We had a really nice time drinking coffee and that kind of thing. So that was a good thing. So I'm wearing the Lancome lip pencil in shade Ideal, and I'm wearing Kim KW lip. I'll swatch it right over here for you. And this one is called Pink Parade by Marc Jacob, and they still have it on sale at Sephora. So let me just show you a swatch of them so you can see what it looks like, and I hope the lighting is good, but that's it. And I really love it, and it was just nice to wear today. I really love the texture of Chrolotte Tilbury lipstick and MAC because it's creamy but thick and moisturizing, and it's pretty decent in the summertime where it stays on pretty good, and also in the winter time it's kind of thick and moisturizing. So I really love that. So let me put a couple of shades on, and then we could carry on to something else. So I think I'm going to put on this shade over here, which is actually, no, I'll put on this one here in the crease. And let me see if I can, it's quite light actually. It's not a matte neutral. Just so you can see, very shiny. Wasn't expecting that. Let me put this light shade of gray in the crease then. A little bit better actually. I'm really liking this shade. You know, I'm not into powder eyeshadows anymore. I used to be, but not as much anymore. But these shades, the way they're blending into my eye is so beautiful, and it's really beautiful. I'm wearing using a really soft brush, so it's going on quite light. I'm sure if I got something darker it would be going on a little bit more, but you can tell I have it on. And then let me get something else, maybe this pointed one, and I'll use the darker shade right over here. And just put that along my lash lines. And do the same on this one. So I'm very grateful that I got this gift as a Christmas gift from a dear friend of mine. She's a lovely woman. At the moment, I'm wearing a little sample that I got probably on one of my Sephora orders called Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. And this is a pretty scent. It doesn't last all day. That's the only downside, but very, very pretty. Into the mascara. This is the mascara, and this is what the brush looks like. It's quite curved, and I love it because do you see that tip? I can reach in. Let me grab a mirror. Got my mirror here, and I can reach into the inner corner, and that's what I love so much about this one. So the curve is sticking out, the inner part is in, and then I like going on the outer. I like to start at the base and just kind of wiggle it, really. It's just a natural look. I'm not wearing any foundation, just a touch of concealer on some of my spots, which I'm sure is very noticeable unless you can't tell on the camera. So I'm really loving this mascara. No regrets that I buy it. I find it separates very good, and it's really easy to get in the inner corner. So let's just carry on. I ran out of deodorant, and my favorite deodorant is from Donna Karan, Cashmere Mist. And when I ordered it, I ordered like a Luxe sample or something like that. And this is it from Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. Haven't started using it yet, but I can't wait, and I'll do a review on this also. Lancome Haul, I talked about the body cream, and I promised I would get back on this. It is very, very thick. I love my La Mer body cream. I like this, but I like the La Mer body cream a lot more. I think there's a little bit more of an oil in the La Mer body cream, so when you put it on, it glides on really, really nice and leaves a very light sheen. Where this one is really, really nice also, and you can tell I used quite a bit so far, but it's so thick, and that's not bad. It's just thicker, and it doesn't glide on very nice. And it doesn't feel as luxurious as a La Mer, and it has nothing to do with the price point. It's just, there's something about La Mer where it feels very super luxurious and that sort of thing. This one at the has royal jelly in it, but it's at the very bottom of the list that I doubt it's doing any good to your skin compared to it being more at the top of the list. It's okay, I wouldn't repurchase this, but I would recommend it. On one of my Sephora orders, and I don't remember when it was, I got, I think it's pronounced Way. It's a hair care line, and they released body cream, and I think during the holidays they had a special body cream, and I don't know if it was soap or what. Anyways, I was about to place an order on that over the Christmas holidays, and I decided against it because I saw I could get a jumbo sample of it. So I can't wait to give this a try and do a review on this body cream. I wanted to experiment on using more retinol on certain body parts. So I decided to get this because one of these YouTube doctors suggested this one and did a really good review because it's moisturizing and not as harsh. And sorry for any shine there, but this is it. It's Olay Retinol 24 Regenerist. I'm gonna give that a try, and I got this at Costco. And then Dr. Dre, her YouTube channel, she prefers Neutrogena over Olay. She's mentioned that, and this is Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair, and I also got this at Costco, so I can't wait to give this a try. Something else I wanted to mention is that I ordered from Amazon. I always wanted to try the Amlactin Daily, and I ordered it, and it cost me $33.29. and I think that's quite pricey for something like this, because in American, I think it showed only $12, so I really do feel this is overpriced. Now, in Canada, we used to have a product called Lac Hydrin, and it's been discontinued, and I don't know why. It's pretty strong, and it stings your skin a little bit, but if you do it on a daily basis for a month or a couple of weeks, you get used to it, and then you use it every other day or once a week for maintenance, and it's really, really good. So I can't wait to give this a try. I find, personally, it firms up your skin and makes you look really good and prepares you for the summer season. I just wanted to check to see what else I need to show you, because I know I'm forgetting something, and I am, and I just realized it's a big box. So let me show you this. So I placed an order for Black Friday, and I didn't get my package until this past week from Anthropologie, and I started opening up the box, and I thought, oh, okay, I should wait until I film a video and show it to you. So I ordered a handbag from Anthropologie, and I wanted to show it to you. It's very, very unique, and I got this, it took over 2 months to get this handbag, and I didn't realize when I placed an order, or I didn't take the time to read it, and this is it. I didn't take the time to read it, but basically it's handmade, and I didn't realize that. That's why it took so long to get in, and this is it. And it's a circular bag, and I thought it was really, really unique. It came sort of like in that golden brown color, black, white, blue, dark navy blue, and then this color. And I'm so excited to check this out for the first time. Just gonna move this box. And this is my first time. Genuine leather, very soft, and this is it. And yeah, this is my first time taking a look at it. I couldn't wait to film just to show you this. And I think this is really, really unique. And it's quite large. Wow. But I really like it. The leather is really, really soft. Take a look at this. The straps are sturdy, and I've had straps like this from Marc Jacob, and they're fine. They don't hurt your shoulders, even with the weight. So I'm okay with this, and the seam is on the inside, and I know it won't hurt. So I can see on the side here, this is how much space it is around, and I'm so happy with this. And this is the inside. It's a zipper top, a little bit of a lining, paper lining, and it has a zippered pocket and it has the label of the Anthropologie there, and that's the inside of it. And then if I turn it around, it has 2 slip pockets. One is a little bit more narrow, probably for the cell phone, and another one. And just taking a look at the inside, the lining looks really good, and the stitching, I am really impressed. Whoever made this did an excellent job. And the reason why I ordered this was not only just the leather and then the cut and the shape, and it's something so unique and new that I've never had before, and the genuine leather, was because of the price. I couldn't believe it. It was only I think it was $145, and that's not bad for genuine leather like this. So I'm really excited. I think I should spray it down, and it's so soft. I'm sure it's going to get some scratch marks on it. It's really, really soft. So I'm really, really happy to get this bag, and I hope you like it too. Comment below what you think of this handbag. If you like this too, this is the gray shade. And if I can, I'll put a link below in the description. And I think that's everything. Oh, I wanted to talk about my skincare, but I'll film another video right after this one if I have some time. So I hope you enjoyed this. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.